In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money using the Western Union mobile application. To transfer money using the Western Union mobile application, first open the app by left-clicking on the application icon. Select your country. For this example, I will choose Pakistan. Type the country in the search box and select it by left or tapping on it. Tap the next option at the bottom. Here you need to give Western Union your location access. Tap the While Using App option. This is the Western Union application home page. Here you can search for a Western Union agent location and know when your money has been received by the receiver. To send or receive money using the Western Union application, left-click the Find Locations option. Here you can find the nearest location to your house, shown with the distance in kilometers. Go to these locations to submit or receive your money. For example, if you want to send money, look for the nearest location to your house, deposit the money there, and enter the details of the receiver. The money will be sent to the receiver, who will be notified on the Western Union application. If you are the receiver, left-click the track option at the bottom. Enter the track number and left-click on the Track It option. Here you can choose whether you are the sender or the receiver. If you are the receiver, tap the Receiver option, enter the 10-digit tracking code, and then left-click the Tracker option. You will be able to track where your money is and when you can receive it. You simply have to physically go to these locations and submit your money. There is no possible way to send this money wirelessly using bank transfer with the Western Union application in specific locations like ours. That's it.